Hello, everyone, and welcome to You Are Unique Yoga. I am Marlene. Today, we're going to do our 74th yoga asana, known as the tabletop, also known as Brahmanasana. Now, the benefits of this pose is that it's a gentle stretch to your arms, your shoulders, elbows, wrists, chest, and back, and also your hips and quadriceps, and hamstrings, and knees and neck. It also provides flexibility. It tones and aligns. Avoid this pose if you have any pain or surgeries, injuries to your knees, issues, or any and all pregnancies. We'll see you on the mat. Okay, so here we are. We're going to do our 74th yoga asana, known as tabletop. But before we do that, let's just get into a nice meditation and get into ourselves and get to know and feel our way around with some breath, breathing, and some slow meditation breathing. Nothing too hard, just really nice and soft, just regular breathing before we start this nice pose. So let's warm our hands up a little bit, just get them nice, comfortable, and to sit in neutral form. And one of the neutral forms that I like is to take your thumb and let it meet your pinky, fold it over, and put it on your hands. And let's close our eyes and take a nice, slow breath. We won't be here too long. Let's just feel the rhythm of our breath in and out of it. And sit up nice and tall. Let's stay in the present moment. If you decide or your mind decides to drift, just come back to present. Focus on what you're doing now. And those of you who may have a racing mind at this time, over time doing meditation, that will slow down and you'll see the difference. Just natural breathing, natural breaths. Let's put our hands together. Just rub our hands. Put it over our eyes and open our eyes. The warmth of your hands. And put your hands down. Now to do this pose, which is a very nice pose, an easy pose to do. And let's bring our legs together. We're going to come into staff pose. We stretch our legs out with our backs nice and straight and tall. We flex our feet. This pose is a pose where you can do at any time. Most of the time, the tabletop is used in a lot of the yoga classes. It's pretty much a way to start. And you're going to bring your feet in together and come into a cross-seated fit. And you're going to take our hands and spread them out and come out over. Take your time, come right out. And come to the tabletop. Now your alignments are here on your mat, so that's how you're going to have your hands. And what you're going to do, you're going to make sure that your hands are spread out onto the mat. Now your arms and your elbows is usually locked straight, but they are facing towards each other, which just seem like the inner eye, I like to call it, like in the elbow point. Those 2 points of your elbows are sitting straight, looking towards each other, not winged out, not like this, sitting very straight towards each other, looking at each other. And your legs are the length of your body. Your core is in. And everything is pretty much with your alignment. This way you are properly aligned. So you follow the mat, the lines on your mat. And spread your fingers wide open. Now this pose is a really nice pose to do because you're really making sure that your spine is lined up properly and your core is engaged as well. Now the tabletop is usually flat. It's not caved in. You will find that your spine comes up into a line, a straight line, and your head is also in a straight line along with your spine and your back. You take a nice breath and breathe in. Do a little inhalation here. And towards that. Now we'll sit here a little bit. Now if you have problems with your knees, you can take a blanket. Although we advise that if you have any severe knee problems, you do not do it. But if it's slight, it's something that's tolerable, you can take a blanket and put it on the mat. And just rest your legs and your knees on top. You will feel that there is a great ease. So this is a tabletop. So remember, if you look, you notice that the whole back is straight, all straight like an arrow. It's not caved in, it's straight up. And you will see it. Yeah. So that's your tabletop. So remove the blanket. And what we're going to do now, how to come out of the tabletop pose. You will cross your feet. And you can also have your feet like this. So you will cross your feet and roll back onto your sit bones. Now, if you cannot do that, if it's too much for you to do, you can come down and come to the side, either side, which is right for you or is best for you, and come up. And you go down, come to the side, lean your whole side over to come out of the pose. I'm going to go back. So I'm going to cross over. Okay, we're going to take it slow so everyone can see. And I'm going to roll back. Bones. Bring my arms back to help roll back into it. and come into a seat position and onto the mat. Wanna go back into staff pose. If you feel that it's comfortable for you and nice for you, come back into staff pose. Or you can sit in a seated position. And there you have it. That was the tabletop pose. Hope you like this video, and we will see you next time on the mat. Namaste.